will cooking this Geoduck from Canada, and it's a simple Chinese recipe. It will bring out the ultimate flavor from this Geoduck. We will need two simple Chinese ingredients. One is a peeled ginger, another one is a bundle of green onions. Now I'm gonna slice them to super thin. This is how they look after the cut. Now we need to remove the skin and the shell from this Geoduck. What we need to do is put them into boiling hot water and submerge into the ice cold water. So this process only needs 10 seconds. Come out. In the ice water, just muscle connect here. I'm gonna use this shell as a garnish later. Let's now remove the skin. So it should be pretty easy to pull it off. There you go. Now let's cut open from here and remove this guts. Give another rinse in the ice water to remove all the sand in there. Let's just dry up with a paper towel. Now we're gonna slice this to an ultra paper thin slice. If you're at home, don't worry about it. You can slice any way you want. It's still very fresh, very sweet. Here we go, the whole Canadian Geoduck. Now we're gonna blanch some bean support as the base of this dish. Now we can put the Geoduck in there. Chopstick to give it a stir, make the heat evenly. Place all the meat on top of this. You will need a seafood soy sauce. Let's just drizzle on top of it. Here we go, it's ready for the final step. Let's grab a hot pan. So I put the oil in there. Just wait, it's got a little bit of smoke in there. And we're gonna put the oil on top of this. There we go, the delicious Canadian Geoduck is done. Now it's the time for tasting. Let's give it a try. So one piece, a little bit green onion, ginger on top of it. It's nice and crunchy and ultimate fresh.